Hello and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of technology and supply chains. My name is Daniel and I am your instructor for this course. You are going to love this course because it takes you step by step through the evolution of supply chains, from their basic foundations to the latest cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and Industry 5.0. Many people jump directly into advanced technologies like AI or blockchain. And while they sound fascinating, without knowing the basics, you can easily get confused. That's why this course is carefully designed to give you both the foundations and the futuristic concepts, all with real-world examples that you can instantly relate to. Let's imagine something simple. You order a product online. Within minutes, you get a confirmation. Within hours, it's packed and shipped. And sometimes you even receive it the very next day. Behind this smooth experience is not just one technology, but an entire chain of them working together. And that's exactly what we will explore. In the first chapter, we will go back to the roots. We will talk about how supply chains evolved, why technology became necessary, and the role of basic tools like barcodes, RFID tags, and electronic data interchange. These may look simple today, but they saved businesses millions of hours and are still the backbone of modern operations. We will also see how sensors and IoT devices brought in real-time visibility, something every company now depends on. Once we set that foundation, we move to the digital backbone of supply chains. Here, we explore analytics, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive, and control towers that allow managers to monitor everything at a glance. We will also look at cloud platforms, e-procurement and ERP integration, which together connect every process from procurement to delivery. Then comes one of the most exciting parts, artificial intelligence in supply chains. We will explore subsets like machine learning, agentic AI, and generative AI, along with practical tools such as RPA, OCR, NLP, and even chatbots. You will see how AI is not just hype, but something already driving cost savings and efficiency across industries. In the next chapter, we dive into generative tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. You will discover how they assist in planning, decision-making, and even day-to-day supply chain operations, and how the right prompt can make all the difference. As we move further, we will explore blockchain for supply chain traceability, robotics and automation for warehousing, drones for last-mile delivery, and digital twins for simulations. Then we open the door to trending technologies like AR/VR, 3D printing, edge computing, and quantum computing. Finally, we will address risk, compliance, and sustainability, topics that every modern supply chain leader must care about. And we wrap up with Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0, where you will see how humans and AI will collaborate in the future. So, throughout this course, we will not just learn theories, but also explore real-world applications, case studies, and future possibilities. By the end, you will see the supply chain world with completely new eyes. Let's begin this journey. You're going to explore fantastic concepts, and I promise you will enjoy every step. Looking forward to see you in the course journey.